It's me, Michael, again. For those of you who don't know me, I'm an importer of hair extensions from Vietnam to Nigeria and a loyal customer of K-Hair. Today, I will help you to answer the questions. How to import hair from Vietnam? Please watch this video carefully to get useful information. Many people plan to import hair from Vietnam to start their hair extension business. However, they are still wondering whether they should import hair from Vietnam or not. Will this be a benefit or a business failure? First of all, if you import hair from Vietnam for business, you will have the best quality hair extensions. Vietnamese hair is considered one of the best quality hair extensions on the market. Vietnamese hair extensions are extremely smooth, shiny and beautiful. In addition, Vietnamese hair extension price is extremely reasonable so that you can import hair from Vietnam. If you compare the price of Vietnamese hair extensions with the prices of Chinese or Indian hair extensions, you will surely find that the cost of Vietnamese hair extension is higher. However, this means that the quality of Vietnamese hair is better. You can use it for up to 8 years without changing new hair extensions. Moreover, if you can import hair from Vietnam and sell it to your customers, you will surely get loyal customers. For the hair extension market, quality is always a top priority. If you provide good quality hair extensions, customers will trust and only buy from you. So it can be concluded that if you import your hair from Vietnam, it will bring you a lot of benefits from quality, price to reputation. So importing hair from Vietnam is definitely a gain for you. As you can see, importing hair from Vietnam gives a lot of benefits, but not everyone knows how to import hair from Vietnam. Here are some helpful tips to make importing hair from Vietnam easier. First tip is always check the reputation of Vietnamese hair factories. It is undeniable that Vietnam has many human hair factories, but not all of them are reputable. So you need to check if the factory you work with is reputable by video calling to see the factory and products. Second tip is always carefully ask the price of hair before deciding to import hair from Vietnam. Asking the price of hair extension factory in Vietnam will help you to prepare your business plan. If you know the price at which you will import hair from Vietnam, you will know how to resell and make profit. Don't forget to check the order carefully before agreeing to the hair extension factory to deliver. You can ask the factory to take photos and videos of orders so you can see the quality and quantity of your order. This is extremely important when you want to import hair from Vietnam. It will help you to avoid serious problems and receiving the goods, such as missing orders and receiving poor quality goods. Above all the notes that you need to know should apply when you want to import hair from Vietnam. Carefully in the process of importing hair from Vietnam is absolutely necessary because this is a form of online business. If you are in need of importing hair from Vietnam and have not found a reputable and good quality factory, K-Hair Factory is an option that you can consider. K-Hair Factory is one of the largest extension factories in Vietnam, with experience working with people who want to import hair from Vietnam. Therefore, they are extremely professional in business documents as well as customs. Moreover, customers of K-Hair are extremely satisfied with the quality of product they receive, and I'm one of the most loyal customers. And that is an overview that helps you to import hair from Vietnam. If you have any questions you want to ask me, please comment below this video. And if you want to dedicate salesperson at K-Hair, text Justin at the phone number here. Thank you for listening to my sharing on how to import hair from Vietnam. Please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel to support care hair. Once again, thank you and see you again.